What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We made it back from our travels, but unfortunately by me traveling, that took away from working on the F and rally car, so we really need to kick it in gear to get it done. Today we are going to be building the hydro conversion for the car. We are going to try and use everything we can out of the EP3, and then I have some plate steel, same steel that I used for my welding table. We're going to cut it out of cardboard because I do want to make this removable. So yeah, let's get started. Alright, I'm going to use the old gasket to make my template to cut this out. So it helps you, they give you this little notch right here, and you know that that's got to be level, that's got to be flat. So there we go. And then we take this like this. Me clean up a bit, and we will get to cutting out metal. For those of you wondering what this is, it's a gasket punching kit. Works on most soft materials: cardboard, rubber, cloth. So this is just some cold roll plate steel. It is, oh shit, I didn't realize it was that big. This is a 3/16 cold roll plate steel. This is way overkill, but like I said, we're using what we got. So this is what I had laying around, so this is what we're going to use. It's definitely not going to move. So we're going to trace out our templates we made out of cardboard and cut them out. Don't do that. Ugh. This is what happens when you run your blade too low. It's trying to use it up.
Alright guys, it's the next weekend from whatever clip we're on. I feel like shit. I'm sick, whole family's sick, but when you're hustling, it don't matter if you're sick or not, so you gotta keep going. I cut out the plate. Show you. So we cut out the back plate. Everything's got to be trimmed. And got the side plate. I'm just gonna tack it to see where it'll fit. If I need to trim some more off or what. And I'm not a professional welder. I'm just a dude in his garage that likes to weld shit together. When you get so excited to weld something together and you forget to clean it. Alright guys, so there's the gusset and here's the other brace that's hot. Don't be dumb. Here's my not clean welds, but hey, gotta start somewhere. I haven't picked up the TIG torch in a long time. And that's what that looks like. I gotta get the pin. Also, I don't remember what size cup this is, but if anybody has any recommendations on TIG cups to improve your welding, let me know in the comments below, because like I said, I'm not a professional. I just self-taught, kind of go off of somewhat videos, and yeah. But I got this all cut up, so I'm not gonna make noise later, and gotta go take care of the kiddos, so I'll see you in a few minutes. Alright, everybody, so it's, I don't know honestly where I left off. After coming back to it, I realized that I put this in the wrong spot. I made it level with the mount here, which that's not going to work. It's got to be level with the plate. You want it straight like this, not straight like this. I don't know what I was thinking. So now I get to take it apart. Ooh, I got it tacked up good. Oh, you retard. Can you see what I did? Wrong place. Alright guys, so here it is in all of its glory. We've got, it'll go like that. Alright, and so you got a brace, and then you got the gusset. But I got it all tacked up. I need to weld it the rest of the way. But as luck goes it, I'm out of gas for the TIG welder, so we're gonna flux core weld it. Super fun. So, it's nothing special. Alright guys, here it is. I'll weld it up. It's not the greatest, but it'll work. I need to start practice welding more. And I need to get a bottle because I hate flux core. Lose all these BBs. So I'm gonna wipe it down with just some acetone and get some paint on it. There we go, guys. It's all done. Got the bracket. Thing fits up. I still think I should have tilted it down more, but it'll work. Moves all the way. Looks good. I have my templates so I can make it again. Alright guys, we finally got it in there. I had to notch it. Like I said, I tried to beat that up a little instead of cutting it, but after I notched it, I didn't need to do that. But anyways, so there it is. Let's see if I can everything. Functions. Doing this one-handed and trying to use the camera. It works. I did drill a little hole for the spring. One thing I gotta figure out is up here. This is a K-tuned master. So I don't know if I can get a banjo to go here, and I gotta figure out something there. So if you guys know anything, please let me know in the comments below. But it came out pretty good for first time making one. Now I gotta figure out how you can keep some type of vent. Alright guys, real quick so we can finish this out. I got it full. I ran PTFE tubing to the master. I'll show you that in a second. The K-tuned hose that comes with the EP3 setup is not long enough. So we went to, I don't know if you can see that. We went to On the Track Performance here in Denver, or actually they're in Inglewood, which isn't that far. But they took care of us. So if you guys are local and you're looking for some hoses made, this was $52.25. That's for hoses, fittings, and everything. So if you need custom hoses or whatever, so we got all tight there, ran it up, and we may run it in a different spot anyways. Sorry, I was closing up and realized the camera was off. And then this is the K-tuned master also. So there's the hose they made us, and then you can't see it, but I had to make that fitting work, and I used a PTFE fitting that is rated for oil or brake fluid, whatever you want to call it. So there we go. Alright, but guys, that's going to be the end of this video. We got more videos to come. Like I said, I'm sorry. I have been traveling and we had an incident with the house. I'll show you a picture. But we have way more to come on this. I have the videos. Just got them edited. So I don't know quite on a schedule. So stay tuned. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that jazz. Stick around for some of the madness that comes. We still need to tear this thing apart. Ooh, wrong thing. Almost dropped my camera. Need to tear this apart because I got that. So guys, on that note, I'm gonna end the video here. I will catch you guys on the next one. Deuces.